From our sample database, we ran the query. Select asterisk from product. The result is 321 records, which we've linked to a dataset named DS1 and its related Tablix. I'm not going to waste your time showing you how to create a dataset, how to display data, or above all how to color tables and change fonts. I'm Italian and our time is too precious. We'd rather spend it having fun. So let's get straight to the point. The number of rows and objects displayed on a single page depends on the interactive size property of the report, which is set to 11 inches by default, the size of a sheet of A4 paper. Believe it or not, even in 2026, SSRS still thinks this way. But anyway, we'll deal with that in a moment. As you can see right now, our table rows are being split across multiple pages. Select our table with the mouse. In the Properties window at the bottom right, find the properties for our table Tablix 2 in this example. Look for the Keep Together property, which is set to false by default. Now let's set it to true, and that's it. Mission accomplished. This solution works as long as there are no other objects below our table. Remember the interactive size property of the report object? If we had other objects under our table, they would end up on another page or multiple pages depending on how many there are and how big they are. This happens because the height is set to 11 inches. And honestly, I will never understand why SSRS still thinks in inches instead of pixels. Anyway, let's try adding another one. Let's copy our table and color it in a horrible way just so we can recognize it. As you can see, our hideous table has jumped to page 2, but no worries. In the Properties window at the bottom right, use the drop-down menu to find and select the report object. Usually, there's only one, and it's named Report 1. Look for the interactive size property and set the height to 0. Pay attention here. I said 0, not zero in. And we're done. But a word of caution with these properties. If you're using a low-power computer, tables with 2,000 or 3,000 rows could cause Visual Studio or your browser to crash. Use it wisely. Now, click on Preview to see the result. And there we go. You can download the free sample SQL server database in the link in the description. Thanks for watching. Remember to smash that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.